Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Tirupati location. It is from Andhra Pradesh. I am going to mention all the links in the description box to apply for these job roles. Interested candidates, you can please go through them. Let's get into the video without any delay. Firstly, there is a job opening for accountant manager. It is from Hotel Bliss Tirupati. For this job position, you should have qualifications like commerce background with 5 years of experience, previous account management experience, articulate and well accustomed to a client facing role, tally experience, IDS software experience, internal auditing, financialization of accounts, budget planning, and this job position is preference for hotel industry experienced persons. Interested candidates can please go through it. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for the assistant manager lifestyle finance. It is from Bajaj Finserv. Coming to the required qualifications and experience, like you should be a MBA with 2 to 3 years of experience or graduate with minimum 4 years of experience and prior exposure to sales roles in highly desirable, and good communication and interpersonal skills, good relationship management skills, proficient in MS Office, and ability to coordinate with various departments within the organization. These are some qualifications and experience required for this job position. Interested candidates, you can please go through it. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for the executive. It is from Bajaj Allianz General Insurance. For the desired candidates, you should have skills like execution, relationship management, service orientation. Next one, there is a job opening for the territory sales manager. It is from Bharati Airtel. If you see the job responsibilities, lead the execution of GTM strategy in the assigned territory with a team of 10 to 15 account managers, deliver data, voice, and new product targets as per set targets, and develop individual codes and assign clusters to account managers, design and implement plan for hunting and farming. These are some responsibilities I have mentioned. Interested candidates, so you can please go through it. Next one, there is a job opening available for Accord School. They are looking for primary English, science, and maths teacher. And if you see the job description, required able and efficient teachers with experience of being a mother teacher in international schools, teaching languages, arts, maths, science, and social studies, and qualifications with considerable understanding of international baccalaureate curriculum and years of experience of practicing international baccalaureate or any other progressive international methodologies would be preferred, and right attitude and an open mindset to learn, implementation of novel methodologies, and proficiency in English language are the attitudes to be eligible for this position. Training, food, accommodation, and a competitive pay package will be offered. Interested candidates, you can please go through it. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for the key account manager. It is from Swiggy. For this job position, you should have requirements you should be a graduate with 3 years plus experience in sales domain, good working knowledge and experience of e-commerce activities on the all online marketing channels, and you should be confident, pleasing, and a go-getter personality, effective communication skills, attitude and aptitude for sales, and should be a team player working alongside people from all walks of life, and analytical and good Excel skills, leadership and influencing skills identify, builds, and uses a wide network of contacts with people at all levels, internally and externally, achieves a good result through a well planned approach. These are some requirements for the desired candidates. Interested candidates can please go through them. Next one, there's a job opening for the quality engineer. It is from Xiaomi India. For this job portion, the roles and responsibilities will include all these ones like basic knowledge of 7QC tools, quality standard, first article inspection, and check the device before shipment to ensure that meet their standards. Measuring instrument, vernier calipers, and screw gauge and template to measure the dot and scratch. Daily preparing inspection result and publish to team. Find the root cause action and verify action in process to avoid it being in future. And check product as per the SIP and product standard. These are some roles and responsibilities I have mentioned here for this job portion. Interested candidates, you can please go through it. Last one, there is a job opening for the marketing executive. It is from Triumphant Institute of Management Education. For this job portion, you should have 2 to 5 years of work experience. And coming to the job description, you have to implement day-to-day marketing and promotional strategies, visit colleges, schools, and other educational institutes on a regular basis to promote brand and generate inquiries, to network with educational institutions and key decision makers, and to establish and maintain the company's presence in target markets, including top schools, colleges, tuition centers, other educational centers, and build relations with various student bodies, including student unions, and discipline notice board items in the college premises. This is a job description. Interested candidates to apply for this job role, the links are given below in the description box. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.